diving into the world of weight loss, and I'm here to share some insights from personal experiences that might be helpful for those of you on a weight loss journey. One thing I've learned is to keep your kitchen stocked with healthy options and avoid the temptation of unhealthy snacks. Trust me, it makes a huge difference. Another tip is to maintain an exercise schedule and drink plenty of water throughout the day. This can be a game changer for weight loss. Now, I want to be completely transparent with you all. My current progress is just over 210 pounds, but my ultimate goal weight is around 180 pounds, so there are still some big numbers ahead. Remember, everyone's journey is unique, and mine is no different. If you're starting from scratch like me, and have already hit that 200-pound mark, you know how challenging it can be. But don't give up. Stay committed to your goals and celebrate every milestone along the way. Hey there, welcome back to Health Haven. If you're looking to shed those extra pounds effectively, you're in the right place. Today, I've got 6 powerful, amazing home remedies to supercharge your weight loss journey. Let's get started. Remedy number 1. Green tea. Green tea is a fantastic metabolism booster for big tummy people or all the heavyweight person. It's rich in antioxidants and can help you burn fat more efficiently. Try drinking a cup daily. Do you enjoy green tea? Share your favorite way to drink it. Remedy number 2. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar can support your weight loss efforts by suppressing appetite and aiding digestion. Mix 1 or 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water and drink it before meals. Thaw can super change a changing hack, get results fast. It's also a great addition to dressings. Be sure to use a straw to protect your teeth. Have you incorporated apple cider vinegar into your routine for weight loss? What's been your experience? Remedy number 3. Lemon water. Lemon water is a fantastic detoxifier and metabolism booster, making it a perfect addition to your weight loss routine. The vitamin C in lemons not only helps your body burn fat more efficiently, but also curbs cravings, helping you stay on track. Start your day by squeezing half a lemon into a glass of warm water. For an extra metabolism boost, try adding a few mint leaves or a slice of ginger. This simple habit can set the tone for a fat-burning day. How do you like to prepare your lemon water for maximum benefits? Remedy number 4. Cinnamon and honey. Now, I bet many of you have heard about the incredible benefits of honey for boosting energy and overall health. But did you know that combining honey with cinnamon can take it up a notch? That's right. This powerful duo can actually help with weight loss. Cinnamon is packed with a compound called gallic acid, which is known for reducing fat cells and improving overall health. When paired with honey, which provides a natural energy boost, these 2 ingredients work together to help you reach your goals. So why not give this natural remedy a try? Mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of cinnamon and honey in warm water and drink it every morning on an empty stomach. And remember, along with this remedy, make sure to stay hydrated, eat a balanced diet, exercise regularly, and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Remedy number 5. Cucumber water. Cucumber water is more than just refreshing, it's a metabolism-boosting, detoxifying powerhouse. The high water content helps flush out toxins and keeps your body hydrated, which is crucial for burning fat effectively. Simply infuse water with cucumber slices and chill it for a few hours. For an extra fat-burning twist, add lemon slices or mint leaves. This hydrating drink keeps you full and helps fend off cravings, making it a great ally in your weight loss journey. Do you have any favorite fruits or veggies to infuse in your water? So there you have it, 5 effective weight loss powerful home remedies to boost your journey. From daily hydration to natural fat burners, these tips are designed to support your weight loss goals. Which tip or remedy are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. If you found these tips and remedies helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Health Haven for more weight loss tips and wellness advice. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your weight loss journey and favorite remedies in the comments. I'd love to hear from you and support you on your path to success.